Is a very good friend to us, and the kids saw her, and now they are super stoked. So they're gonna go rate her and tell her how much they like her. Hi, girl. Can I give you a hug real quick before you go?
How are you?
This is
Chillin',
my cousin.
chillin'. We haven't seen you in so long. Where you been at?
I've been at Garden.
They got you guarding the tulips, as
Yes.
Mr. What's his name says.
Oh, she did?
Yeah,
So
she
it's
just
you
left
three?
us. Well, no, she's over there.
Oh, okay. Let me give this to the customer and I'll be
It's all
right
good.
back.
Okay, we'll see you right now.
Okay.
Bye bye. Go with mommy. Go with mommy. Come on. Careful. What happened to the Kinder Joys? No more? Open up your surprise eggs. I want to know what's inside. What do you guys think it is? Guess first before you get it.
A panda.
You think it's a panda? What do you think?
I think mine is a bird.
A bird. I want to see it. Ooh, panda, birdie, panda, birdie. Don't eat it so fast, okay? Because I don't want you to hurt your tummies. What do you want to eat, girl? You want to eat some McDonald's? There's a reply to McDonald's. We eat McDonald's so much, QP family.
Maybe some Taco Bell?
Some Taco Hell? I'm down for some Taco Hell. I'm down for it.
No, I'm not gonna go for it.
Why not? I like Taco Bell sometimes. I like Mexican pizzas, the crunch burrito wrap, and then I like that other, the chicken quesadillas. They're
I
pretty
want
dope.
a power meal or something.
A power meal, he said. Come on, guys. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it on this video to find out what you guys have in your eggs. Maybe on the next one. You want me to hold your chocolate while you open up your egg?
Oh my god, it's gonna melt all over the place.
It's in my hand.
Okay, I'll eat it.
You're going to eat it? He's going to eat all of it. You're a beast. Look at the camera while you eat it. Oh, man. Look at him. He ate all the chocolate. Look at that. Got the layer still has half. What did you hit? Open it.
I can't.
Oh, I can't open it either. Here, hold the phone while I open it. I need two hands. Get it. Oh, he got, show the camera. Show the camera. He got a bat that can't fly. It's, what is it? I don't know what it is. It says it's a numbat. A bat that can't fly. A numbat. That's what it is. A numbat. Whatever that is. This is our good friend, Miss Yolanda. She's the best. If you're ever at Walmart.
And now I'm like at 129, so yeah.
Here you go, boy.
About 20 pounds.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Smoking
You
weed.
know what it was? I used to smoke marijuana. Wait. When I was young, I was innocent. And then I stopped. And then recently I went to the doctor. They diagnosed me with PTSD and anxiety, so they gave me a medical card. And ever since then, I lost all the weight.
Yeah, she smokes legally. It's not illegal.
Yeah, it's helped me a lot.
And it's helping her lose weight, folks. Check it out. You want to lose weight like Queen?
And it's crazy.
Smoke some weed.
Everybody's like, how? Whenever you do, you eat
You
a
get
lot,
the
but
munchies,
I don't.
but no.
No, I eat like.
And then you don't gain it.
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
And do you
Well, and it helps your
smoke it or do you eat
digestive
it?
tract.
Both, yeah.
Because you know how
Sometimes,
they say you put it in ground meat?
yeah. Just been drops in your mouth. Been like.
What did you get, princess?
I did.
You want me to open it? Here, you hold the camera for me. Look at while I you gotta look at me, okay? This is what Catalea got.
Thank you.
This one's cool. It's got a little core. It's one of those
Mom.
yowie things.
Yeah, so it's helped me out.
Wait, let me pause it.
All my pants are starting to fall, so I'm like, oh, I need some new pants.
This is the
Yes.
one that Catalea got. Cool.
Yowie.
There you go, baby. You want me to hold that for you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in the bag for you, okay? So we don't lose it.
Oh my gosh, they're ugly
No, I
already.
like the color.
And the guy that did them, I don't know, he did like the top coat.